Hi babes, let me show you how to create the viral under eye blush tutorial. This has become a staple in the Nigerian beauty space. First step is to apply your concealer. The reason why you apply concealer first is to leave it to build. So leaving the concealer when you apply it will give it time to build while you go ahead and apply the blush. Also going to place our concealer here. Next step is to go ahead and apply a blush. Make sure you pick a blush that flatters your undertone. So how to pick a blush that works for your skin tone is the darker the skin, the darker the blush. The lighter your skin, the lighter the blush. And decide to put it at the back of your hand or basically apply it. So when you're applying it, you put it directly under your eyes and feather it outward. So that way you're not putting so much into the inner part, you're extending it outward. So after applying it, get a brush like so and start blending. Before you blend inward, blend outward first. So just make sure you blend that really well and don't, be scared about extending it to your hollow side, that's your cheek area, because the lighter version of that blush will be extended to this side. So don't worry, it won't look bad. It's just so you don't cut it off and you don't give it like a straight line. That's the excess of it. So after blending out, then you go over to the concealer. So what you're going to be doing is you're blending them out individually first, which means I'm blending out the concealer before blending it into the blush. I added a different clip so you guys can see how I blended the concealer and the blush. So the part where both the concealer and the blush meet, I went with a puff to go back in between both lines to blend them out together. I don't know, for some reason the clip that I recorded for this particular video, I deleted it, so I'm sorry about that. To set this down, to set it down, you can either use a pink setting powder or you use a translucent setting powder. So I'm going to use a translucent setting powder. I will blend, pick my translucent powder, tap excess off, and blend it under my eyes. So that way, I will not set any creasy line. Like so. Yeah, then I can go ahead and set again. So after setting this side, the other part of my sponge, the sharp edge of my sponge, I'll put it into the beauty sponge, tap off excess, and I'll use that to set and also use it to cover the line. You see, I'm using it to set and I also use it to cover out that line. You're setting and you're carving out the line. Blend down into the rest of your blush so that will retain the sharp edge and still set. See, as opposed to this side, can you see that? So I'll repeat the same process on this side. The more you tap on it, the more it disappears. So that's how it works. See? So whatever I have left on my beauty sponge, I can then use that to set my blush down if you want to, but we advise to set it down. So you can see how this side is looking as opposed to this side. I'm using what I have left on my blush brush to blend that side. So when I'm done, I'm going to dust this blue setting powder off and I'm going to be right back. Let me finish up with my makeup and I'll be right back. Here is the finished look. So what do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed this short, detailed under eye blush tutorial. Let me know down in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comment section. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.